Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to reset PC Uptime Shutdown in Windows 11. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, power on your system unit and wait until your Windows 11 computer completely loads up. It's important to let everything finish loading before proceeding with any changes to ensure all system processes are running properly. Once your PC is ready and you're on the desktop, start by navigating to your Windows Start menu located within your taskbar at the bottom of your screen. Click on it to open the Start menu. From here, type in Control Panel in the search bar and press Enter on your keyboard. This will open the Microsoft Control Panel window, which gives you access to various system settings and configurations that aren't always available in the modern Settings app. Within the Control Panel menu, look for and click on the option labeled Power Options. This section controls how your computer manages power and sleep settings. Once you're in Power Options, direct your attention to the left-hand menu where you'll see several options. Click on Choose what the power buttons do. This setting determines what happens when you press your PC's physical power button or close your laptop lid. Within this menu, you'll notice a section at the top that says Change Settings that are currently unavailable. Go ahead and click on it. You may need administrator privileges to access these settings, so Windows might prompt you for permission. Once you click this option, you'll notice that the settings below become active and are no longer grayed out, giving you full control over these advanced power configurations. Now from here, look for the checkbox labeled Turn on Fast Startup. This feature is designed to help your computer boot faster by saving some system information before shutdown, but it can interfere with accurately resetting your PC uptime. Simply remove the checkmark from this Turn on Fast Startup option to disable it. Disabling this feature ensures that your computer performs a complete shutdown instead of a hybrid shutdown, which is what allows the uptime to reset properly. Once you've disabled Fast Startup, click on the Save Changes button at the bottom of the window to apply your new settings. This ensures that your changes are stored and will take effect on your next shutdown. Now all you need to do is restart your Windows 11 PC. After the restart completes, your PC uptime will be reset and you'll have successfully configured your system to perform proper shutdowns going forward. And that's it. You've now reset your PC uptime shutdown settings in Windows 11 by disabling Fast Startup. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.